Hi guys, just going to walk you through how to do a cover letter, and this is one of the second of the three things you need for when you're like applying for a job, the first being a resume. So you're going to set it up almost identically. So right here in this upper left hand corner at the very top, this is who you're sending the information to, the resume, the cover letter. That's who it's going to. So what I want you to do is look up a business, and it needs to be realistic, like somewhere where you could work at age 15 or 16. You'll have the name of the manager, what is the place, and the address. Okay. Then underneath it, you will have your name, your home address, and your home address. And if you want to add your phone number, you can. Then you'll say, "Dear the manager from up here." And so this is to fill a position, a teaching position at a high school. So what really is this, you're going to use about a paragraph. It should be short and sweet, not too much detail, but really just give yourself an opportunity to get your foot in the door. Some of the stuff you can kind of copy down here, like best regards, your name and your signature, thank you for your consideration, I look forward to hearing back from you. That's fine. But right here, what I want you to do is basically write a paragraph expressing your desire for the position and what position is it, because you can't just say worker, you need to look whatever position you're going for and where it is, and then why you would be good for that position. What character traits do you have that would let you get hired, or that would cause you to get hired? And so this is what you're going to work on tomorrow, which is today. You can use and read this sort of stuff, and what I have here, and you can use it on your own, but you want just a simple paragraph, not too lengthy, and then and that'll be it, okay? And I will have the submission ready too. So if you guys have any questions, shoot me a message, but again, we won't have a live Zoom tomorrow.